Imagine this, you have built a 100k portfolio, and instead of just waiting for the stock market to go up, you are collecting cash flow every single month, just like rent from a property. That is exactly what I do with options. I use strategies like covered call and cash secure put to generate consistent income while still holding stocks I believe in long term. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how I sell options on my 100k portfolio, an exact strategy I use, and how you can apply them too. Whether you are aiming for a few $100 a month or scaling up to thousands, the principles are the same. So, number one, why options for cash flow? Most people think that options are risky, like gambling. And yes, buying options can be risky if you are just speculating. But selling options is a total different thing. It flips the script. Instead of paying premiums, you are the one collecting them. That is why many professional traders call it being the casino rather than being the gambler. Option selling works perfectly with a 100k portfolio because you have just enough capital to sell multiple contracts. You can diversify across different stocks or ETFs. You can structure trades to generate steady monthly income, not just waiting for the price appreciation. Strategy number one, covered call. Let's start with the first strategy, covered call. Here is how it works. You own at least 100 shares of the stock. You sell a covered call against it, agreeing to sell your shares at a certain price. If the stocks go up, you sell a call option, which is a covered call against it, agreeing to sell your shares at a certain price if the stock goes up. In return, you collect a premium, which is an upfront cash that goes straight into your account. Let me give you an example with Nvidia. Let's say I own 100 shares of Nvidia at 170. I sell a covered call with a strike price at 180 for the next month. I collect, let's say, $400 in premium. So there will be two outcomes. If Nvidia stays below 180, I keep my shares and the $400 premium. If Nvidia goes up above 180, I sell at that price, still keeping the $400 premium plus any gains up to 180. Covered calls are perfect for generating steady income on stocks you already own, especially if they are not likely to skyrocket higher in the short term. Now, let's move on to strategy 2. The second strategy I use is cash secure put. This is basically getting paid to wait for a stock you already want to own. And here is how it works. You set aside enough cash to buy 100 shares of a stock. You sell a put option at a strike price where you are happy to buy it. You collect a premium while waiting. Example, supposingly Palantir is trading at 157. You sell a put at 150, agreeing to buy 100 shares at that price if assigned. You collect $300 upfront. So in this case, there will be two outcomes. If Palantir stay above 150, you keep $300 and the cash. If it drops below 150, you buy the shares at that price, which I wanted anyway. And I still keep the $300 premium. Cash secure put are my favorite way to build position at a discount while getting paid to wait.
If you are looking for a broker to start investing, check out Tiger Broker Singapore. They are user friendly, offer responsive customer service, and make the trading journey much smoother, especially if you are just getting started. And here's a bonus. If you use my referral link and deposit at least 1000 USD and complete just one buy trade, you'll receive USD $5 worth of Tesla stock. This is a brokerage that have simple steps, quick rewards, and a great platform. You will find my referral link in the description below. Feel free to check it out.
Tiger Broker is currently running a SG60 campaign with SGX. Enjoy no custodian fees, zero commission for SGX listed securities,
SGX CDP custodian fees for Tiger Broker is waived until further notice. No additional action required. This is a 3 months campaign, 23rd of July to 17 October, designed to reward both consistent trader and top performer. Trade SGX listed security during the campaign period to climb the leaderboard, and their prizes worth SG60 to SG 3800.
So now how do I apply this strategy to a 100k portfolio? Here is a simple breakdown. Around 50% of my portfolio is in one of the core stocks or ETF where I run covered call. Another 30% is cash set aside for selling puts. The rest stay flexible for new opportunities. With 100k portfolio, you can comfortably sell 5 to 10 option contracts at a time at an average premium of around 200 to 400 per contract per month. That is 1,000 to 3,000 a month in cash flow potential. Of course, result varies depending on the volatility, your stock choice, and the strike selection. But the consistency is what makes it powerful. Now we will move on to the risk management. Now let's be clear. This isn't free money. Options comes with risk. With covered call, your upside is capped. If your stock shoot up, you might miss out on some gains. With cash secure put, you need to be ready to actually buy the stock. Never sell put on companies you don't want to own. And with both strategies, premiums can shrink during low volatility market. The key is to stick with stocks you believe in long term and to size your position properly. I always make sure I'm comfortable holding the stock if assigned. Personally, I treat option selling like owning a rental property. Some months you can make more, some months less, but over time it adds up. The beauty of option is that they turn your portfolio into an income machine. Instead of just waiting for stock prices to rise, you are actively collecting cash along the way. And if you reinvest those premium back into more shares, your compounding grow even faster. So here is how I sell options on my 100k portfolio for monthly cash flow. Covered call for income on stocks I already own. Cash secure put for getting paid to buy shares I want at a discount. A balanced approach that generates steady cash flow while still building long-term wealth. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit a like, subscribe, and drop a comment and let me know if you are already selling options and if you are thinking about starting. This is one of the most powerful strategy I know for creating consistent income from the stock market.